Hello guys, welcome to Tuhin editing, and today I'm going to show you how you can zoom in Adobe After Effects. It will be very fast tutorial, so let's get started. Bring the madness. To use the zoom in Adobe After Effects, first you need to drag your video into the timeline in the composition. So I have already placed my video here. So let's see where we can zoom. Maybe we are going to start zooming in the first second. So to do that, first go to the arrow button and go to the transform option, and you will see there is a position keyframe and scale keyframe option. You can create that. So make one position keyframe and one scale keyframe, and after that move on to the position you want to zoom in and make another position keyframe and another scale keyframe, and this time use the scale option and make it bigger, and also use the position to make it centered. So when you play the video, you will see it's slowly zooming in. To make it faster, just drag these two keyframe closer to the first keyframes. You will see it will zoom in faster now. So if you want more quick zoom in, just make them closer, and if you want slowly, just drag them far from the first keyframes. That's it. Very easy to zoom in After Effects. And if you don't want to zoom in effect, you just want to zoom in a specific position, it will stay there. If you want to do that, just make this first two keyframe in the first of the video and use the scale option, maybe position, and you will see it's all zoomed in, but it's not actually zooming in, so it will stay there. So yeah, basically this is how you can easily add zoom in effect or zoom in Adobe After Effects. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.